Hello, so first of all, let's do a mini quiz. So A, 10x minus 4 equals 16, solve for x. B, 3 minus 4x equals 15, and again, solve for x. So both of those will be x equals. And then for C and D, use your BODMAS skills to work out what the answers are. So press pause, and when you're ready to continue, press play again. So first of all, we write it out, and then we want to get the minus 4 by itself. So I've left a gap here and written the opposite, so we've added 4 to both sides, so it's 16 plus 4. The next step, we can simplify 16 plus 4 to give 20, so 10x equals 20. Now we've got 10 lots of x just here, and we want x by itself. So if we've got 10 lots, or 10 times, we now need to divide by 10 on the other side. So x equals 20 divided by 10, and that of course gives you x equals 2. For part B, we have 3 minus 4x equals 15. So the first step I would suggest is to get this into a positive value. So we can add 4x to both sides, so that gives us 3 equals 15 plus 4x. Now on the next row just here, just because of convention and how it's generally written, I've just swapped it round. So rather than 15 plus 4x, I've changed it to 4x plus 15. Next step, let's move the plus 15 onto the other side. So then it's 3 minus 15, and that gives us 4x. We can simplify 3 minus 15, and that gives us minus 12, and it still equals the 4x. And then again, just for convention, the x tends to be written on the left-hand side. So all I've done is I've swapped these round. So 4x equals 12, just as minus 12 equals 4x. So 4 times x, well, that's the same as doing 12 divided by 4 on the other side. And then we can simplify 12 divided by 4 as 3, but we need to remember that it is minus, so x equals minus 3. For part C, we have 4 plus 3 times 2 equals question mark. So let's focus on the multiple first. So 3 times 2 is 6, add to the 4, and that gives us 10. So then we have 2 squared plus, then in brackets 4 plus 1, and then all multiplied by 3. So the 4 plus 1 gives us the 5 in brackets. We can also see the order, so 2 times 2, or 2 squared, gives us 4. And then we need to focus on the multiple. So 5 times 3 gives us 15, added to the 4 gives us 19.